The government of Kenya and the Office of the Prosecutor are tomorrow expected to update the International Criminal Court on the status of cooperation between the two. According to ICC coordinator at the Kenya office, Maria Kamara, the prosecution will explain to the court if Kenya heeded the request to submit documents required in the case against President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Status conference, we should not expect a decision. The status conference I'm referring to is that of the president. We will not expect a decision to be issued by the judges tomorrow. Such a decision will be pending and it will be issued in due course. And the reason why I flagged that out is several people have already started calling or anticipating that tomorrow would have a decisive outcome of the issues that will be discussed, whether the trial will proceed as scheduled on 7th October. We have to be very clear that such a decision may not be issued tomorrow.
After the briefing, the judges will give the parties new timelines and future plans for cooperation in submission of the documents required. So far, Uhuru's trial date still remains October 7th unless the judges rule otherwise.
If, we're very, very hypothetical here, because the defense teams have not communicated to the judges, because there is not yet the closure of the trial or the closure of the prosecution case, if at the end of the prosecution case the defense determined that they will wish to file for no case to answer motion, that means the judges would have to closely examine those requests, those motions, and determine what to happen next. If in their view they consider that indeed the defense has presented substantive evidence to believe that what has been presented by the prosecution is not convictable, the judges will make a determination. Sometimes if a no case to answer decision becomes acceptable by the judges, the trial ends from that stage.
Meanwhile, a closed-door status conference in the case against Deputy President William Ruto and journalist Joshua Arap Sang is ongoing. The trial resumes on Thursday and is expected to break on July 16th for the court recess. I'm Anita Ndero for Capital TV.